Welcome to the Starlink Antenna Installation Guide with Global Satellite Group. Follow these steps to ensure a successful setup of your Starlink system. Welcome to the Starlink Antenna Installation Guide. Download the Starlink app from the App Store or Play Store. Search for a place as far away from the installed antennas with a clear view of the sky. Use the Starlink application app to scan the sky. Please note to make sure that this place is suitable for the antenna installation. Otherwise, try again with another location. Step 5. After finding the appropriate place to install the antenna, the fitter should prepare a custom base to screw the antenna mount onto. Screw the two bases together using the 4 spacers and secure the base to the final location. Please note, the 2 screws with the blue mark should be screwed to the back of the antenna on the side of the plug. Place the antenna on top of the antenna mount and tighten the screws. Pass the 25-meter antenna cable from the antenna mount to the VSAT rack. Please note, the bigger plug of the cable will be connected with the antenna, while the smaller plug will be connected to the PO adapter. Place the antenna cable into the socket. It is properly placed when you hear a click sound. Secure the cable. Please note, make sure there is at least 1 meter of the antenna cable available. In this box, you may find the below-deck units. The 2 white modules are the PO adapter and the Wi-Fi access point. Now let's see this step put into action. Find a free space for the PO adapter installation inside the cybersecurity rack and secure its base. Place the router position the router in a central location inside the boat where the Wi-Fi signal can reach all areas. Connect the Ethernet cable. Plug the Ethernet cable from the Starlink dish into the designated port on the router. Connect the power cable. Plug the power cable into the router and then into a power source. Turn on the system power on the Starlink dish, router and power supply. Connect to the router user device, e.g. smartphone, tablet or laptop, to connect to the Wi-Fi network broadcasted by the Starlink router. Configure the network. Follow the on-screen instructions or the user manual to complete the setup process. This usually involves setting up a Wi-Fi network name, SSID and password. To learn more about your Starlink or to contact our support team, visit globalsatellite.us.